Welcome to The Interest. I'm Katie Jensen. Today, we take an exclusive look at one of the most highly anticipated events of Originator Connect 2024, the return of Broker Brawl. On August 16th, in a jam-packed room of originators, 4 of the nation's largest and most successful broker CEOs battled it out on stage to prove not only are brokers best, but so are their companies. This year's contenders, Nexa Mortgage, Edge Home Finance, Loan Factory, and West Capital Lending, tackled some of the most pressing topics weighing on originators' minds. Everything from compensation to technology to company culture, and withstood some tough rebuttals from their competitors. At the end of the night, the audience voted for their favorite mega broker, who would take home the Heavyweight Broker Brawl Championship belt. Anyone familiar with these mega brokers know they can pack a mega punch, making debates lively, but rest assured it's all for a good cause. With their votes, every attendee donated at least $5 to Homes for Our Troops, a charity that builds specialized homes for disabled veterans. So without further ado, let's check out the highlights from this year's Broker Brawl.
Too many people face barriers on their financial journey. We all dream of owning a home, but outdated systems and unfair practices often hurt you. We have changed that with Angel AI. From applying to buying, Angel understands you without judgment and gives you confidence with its 100% trusted answers. Angel AI can help make your dream of owning a home a reality. I have seen personally how unfair the process is and how it systematically discriminates against minorities. It doesn't matter if you have less than a perfect credit history, holding 2 or 3 jobs, and a little bit of self-employed income, or if you have perfect credit score, because we understand what you really want is to be financially secure. That's what Angel AI helps with. That's fair lending. You love your family and you want to build a home you can call your own. Therefore, your financial security is our priority. We end discrimination so you can achieve financial security. Angel AI, the home of fair lending.
Loan officers are the ones that run their own business. We've changed the way I think all of us up here to be able to scale as we've done. And what we've mastered is to be able to create an environment that they can plug into a model and still feel that entrepreneurship.
Ailes of Edge Home Finance kicked off the event by addressing the major difference between the mega brokers on stage and the brokers in the audience. He explained that mega brokers act like franchises by recruiting sales teams and incorporating them under one brand. They also provide resources the teams wouldn't otherwise have access to. In a tough market environment, mega broker companies may be able to help struggling originators weather the storm.
So my name is Ton Nguyen, #1 loan officer in the country. I rise from 0 to the #1 loan officer 2 years in a row. I built the whole thing myself. No one helped me. I built the company, the system, the process. I built the best technology software out there, including the POS, LOS, pricing engine, CRM, everything.
Each of the mega brokers offer something different, and Loan Factory CEO Tuan Nguyen places more emphasis on his proprietary technology, Moso, that empowers loan officers to produce loans quicker and more efficiently. While some LOs are looking to increase production, others are hoping for an increased compensation on each transaction. In this tough market, loan officers need to make a living one way or the other.
I don't know a single broker that is out there that's I would consider a mega broker that is doing the funded units per banker or per loan officer that we're doing. So if I compare Tuan, I compare Tom, I got a ton of respect for them. But the sheer numbers of looking at 9,320 units compared to 633 loan officers, to me tells a story that's much different than the other mega brokers. And so to me, that's the most important thing, is giving an opportunity to loan officers to actually make a living.
Taking inspiration from Loan Factory's slogan, "We dare you to compare," CEO of West Capital Lending, Daniel Iskander, did some quick math for the audience. At about 630 loan officers, West Capital produced over 9,000 units in 6 months. At over 1,000 loan officers, both Loan Factory and Edge Home Finance produced around 2,000 and 8,100 units, respectively. But Nexa CEO Mike Kortas couldn't let a competitor outshine him on LO compensation. The revolutionary comp plan Nexa 100 pays loan officers 100% of commission splits with no hidden fees.
Guys, you don't have to make it off units, right? And the biggest reason I make 100% is because my revenue share, what you don't realize, is that anytime somebody leaves Nexa, I actually make more money when they leave than when they stay. I don't want them to leave because I want them to get that revenue share.
Iskander and Kortas went toe-to-toe in the championship round, where the debate on LO comp reached a pinnacle, with Kortas challenging Iskander to an audit to see which company has more millionaires on its payroll.
In fact, let's make a commitment. You and I will go to an audited financial expert. We'll take our top 20 loan officers each. We'll put all their payrolls into it, and we'll publish and see who pays their people more.
Each mega broker proudly stood up for their company and how it does business. The final tally of audience votes was very close.
The winner of the Broker Mega Brawl, Mike Kortas.
The event raised nearly $25,000 in total for disabled military vet Adrian Walker to help fund a specialized home for him and his family. In an unexpected turn of events, Nexa loan officer and retired Marine Staff Sergeant Christopher Shank took the stage to show his appreciation for everyone's generosity.
Like they literally build homes for veterans that are so damaged because they gave their all for this country. Every dollar that you contribute to here is going straight to them in order to make somebody's life better because they gave their all in order to make sure that you could earn that money to feed your families.
But nothing in this industry stays the same for long. Next year brings new winners, new losers, and perhaps some new players. You'll just have to find out by attending Originator Connect in 2025. For The Interest, I'm Katie Jensen.